Hey guys, just wanted to say hi. At an open house right now. Check out this beautiful place. I'm going to turn this around and see if I can show you. There you go. This is the backyard and the lanai area. Huge lanai area with a beautiful swimming pool, a fountain. The yard goes all the way back to that fence way over there and over here and all the way to that fence right there. Just a beautiful place. All right, and this is just off of the swimming pool area, lanai, and going into the living area right here. Check this out. How would you like hanging out here? Beautiful, beautiful home. So this is at 480 38th Court, Vero Beach, Florida. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with 3,000 square feet and a 1.5-car garage. It's got 3/4-inch hickory hardwood floors, new kitchen cabinets with slide-out pantry, custom designed coffee bar, brand new appliances, wood-burning fireplace. It's just an awesome home. So it has a saltwater pool, large lot. It's like 1.3 acres, and it's at the end of a cul-de-sac, so very private, beautiful place. Reach out if you have any questions. Thank you much. Have a great day.